Hello everybody, it's Velen here, VST, Velen Speaks Tech, and I have the Nokia N70 in my hand. And I've been doing a live video showing just the first boot and the first impressions on that phone. It's a phone released almost 15 years ago. I'm not sure even if all people watching this video actually were born 15 years ago. I certainly was. I was 25. And I used that phone. Actually, this is not a phone that I bought on the second market. In fact, it is a phone I bought from the second market 15 years ago, and then I used that phone and then I gave it to my wife, and then, it was in the family. And yesterday I found it, I managed to charge it up, and I just want to show you guys some very nice, cool things here. All right, so I'm going to do a series of videos focusing on the Nokia N70 in 2020. Is there like a use case for somebody to use a phone that old? Does it really work? What can you do? But before that, I want to show you guys some very, very cool things. Okay, I'm going here into the menu. All right, as we go to the menu, guys, I'm just gonna go and hit up the games folder. And do you think I was surprised when I saw how many games do I have? Not really, because, like I'm a gamer, I have a lot of games. But then see here, I realized that I have the Pico Drive here, right? And Pico Drive, of course, is Sega. And I was like, what the hell? I mean, do I have really Sega emulation here on the Nokia N70? And it turns yes. Pico Drive S60 by Dave & Co. Load ROM. And by the way, I was really impressed. I even have no clues when and how I did this, but apparently it's there. And we have Aladdin and Golden Axe. And I just want to see if that can work. So I'm just going to hit up Golden Axe. And let's just enjoy. Running Sega games. Running the legendary Golden Axe. Right? On the legendary Nokia N70, okay? I'll press 1 for one play. I'm not sure even if this is how it's supposed to work. Okay, let's do. Okay, I think I'm there. Jesus Christ. This is amazing, guys. Alright, but am I playing? Not yet. Ah, okay, arcade. I think now we're talking. Okay, let's choose a character here. I want to choose the dwarf, but... Ah, okay, I see. Okay, you do all the movements here with this, alright? Okay, I understand. Okay, let's go for the dwarf. I think this was like my main favorite character. Okay. Oh my god. Exciting, exciting. Okay. That Arda Ayave the castle and was taken the king and princess prisoners. Okay, let's see. Okay, apparently you are supposed to move it. Let's see which are the combination keys. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is the pause button, alright. Okay, now this is number 7 jumps. Okay, this is... okay, understand. Okay, now I get it. Oh, it's difficult to play with this. I just want to see where is my hit button. Okay, this one. Oh yes. Okay, now I understand. I killed those guys using a potion. Okay, now I can jump with that, and let's see. Now I found it. Okay, it's this button here. Okay, come on, guys. Yeah, he's stronger than me. You're stronger than me, but I'm gonna kill you. Okay. Okay, and I died. I mean, that's very lame of me. But okay, I have another chance. Okay, so now I understand. Okay, this button goes like this. Okay. I understand. So 1 goes up, 4 goes down, 7 jump, 8 nothing, 6 goes there, 3 goes there. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, practically that was it. I mean, I have a few other games that I can show you, but I was really impressed and I just wanted to show you guys the Golden Axe running on the Nokia N70. I mean, 2 legends, right? 1 phone, 15 years. The game even, I think it's more than 15 years. Alright, so for more videos like this, guys, just hit on the subscribe button, like the video. If you want to see some more things on that phone running Symbian, just hit the comments above below and have a nice rest of the day. VST over and bye.